It is a beautiful Bay Area day, slightly overcast, a cool breeze. I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday. I ran out the door because there's only 3 bathrooms, a lot of people. I was going to take a shower, but I got notified my package was delivered. This is a surprise package from Aora Beauty, and don't judge my face right now. I literally just sprayed sunscreen on. See, it looks good and better from this angle. Just sprayed sunscreen on my face, hopped out the door, because as soon as I get back, I'm gonna unbox it. And then I have to shower, wash my hair, make sure all my devices are charged, because with the buses, I have to head a little bit earlier to the bus. I can't just take it 30 minutes before sign in, because that's not how buses, that's not trustworthy to get to work on time. So I gotta start getting ready. Today's gonna be exhausting because I didn't sleep in, but it's exciting. Let's go get our package. Package is picked up. I'm so excited. There's a cafe behind me. I don't want to show it because I don't want to share where I am, but let me tell you, it's bumping. It is the middle of the week at 10 in that cafe's club. I want to go. Not today, but I'll be back. We have the package. This is a surprise package from Aora Beauty. I'm filming on 2 cameras. Okay. Their new viral lipstick. This is so cute. Should I hang this up? And I just got a red lipstick. This is crazy. There's 2 lipstick. Did they send it to me? I'm so excited. I've been wanting this since I saw it. I'm so excited. That was crazy, guys. I'm so sorry. And this is to hold your lipstick. And this is all artisanal from Mexico. I can't believe it. This is so crazy. And a new top tote bag. Hot like Mexico. I have to get ready for work, but this will be my lip color for today. I gotta say, I love the red lipstick. I miss this.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
Good morning, or really good afternoon, because it's 2 p.m. I went to bed at 8:30 this morning. I did have that omelet. I got a little scared because I ordered the Denver omelet, which is so good. And then I was like, what if the ham has gluten? And then I scared myself out of eating that. So then I got a vegetarian omelet, and then I got scared because I was like, what if everything has gluten? I don't know, and it's all cross-contaminated. So I got really scared. But we're feeling okay, so we should be okay. Luckily, I have this great blender bottle. I use it as a coffee mug, but as a whole for straws. I use it for protein shakes, but it has coffee. I got coffee before when I was there at breakfast. I have my hot coffee here. Some Bobos, because I just feel like eating a baked good with my coffee. Just did an insurance claim on my phone. As you can tell, I'm still in bed. I don't really do anything in Orlando. I hear flight attendants doing really fun things, but I am on such a tight budget that I'm gonna be a hotel gal. I'm gonna be a hotel gal today. How this trip worked really fast, as I was literally just sitting there editing a video for YouTube, and I got a call from Crew Sketch, and they were like, we have a trip for you, but you gotta leave right away. It's short notice. And I was like, oh yeah, that's fine. And they're like, you're gonna be the lead and you're going to Orlando. Nice long layover. I was like, oh, okay, this sounds weird because our Orlando out of San Francisco doesn't leave at that time. And she's like, so you're gonna deadhead. And then the deadhead was like already boarding. And deadhead is like when you fly as a passenger. And so like I had to like run to the gate. Luckily the crew was so nice. And I got to San Diego and I sat there and I drank my energy drink, and the crew was so good. They were so cool, so lovely. Like 10 out of 10. Really liked my crew, really liked the pilots. Good vibes, good energy by everyone. And then we got here. The flight was good, nice and relaxing. I have the 7 a.m. flight tomorrow. And then we'll see if they reschedule me or not. But for right now, we are looking good. I'm just gonna relax. I gotta go to the gym. All the things. I just ran for the first time. One of my goals is to run a 5K. I used to be a trail runner back in college, and it feels so good. It feels so good to be doing, like, putting health first, even though it's hard. And now just to stick with it. So one of the things I wanted to see if I could do was find a Purell because they were out at the gym. Nothing was sanitized. It felt disgusting. I still kind of feel disgusting, but I'm just gonna re-sanitize. Things I did today: I edited videos, I slept, I got a phone replacement, and I'm kind of scared because I just found out that they don't send you the exact model. They send you equal or greater value, which could work in my favor. I could get a newer phone, but I hope I get the exact same phone, or the exact same phone but the newer version, because I don't want them to like switch to some random Android, because they are not created equal. Right, so I'm all showered, skincare is done, uniforms already laid out for tomorrow because we have a 5 a.m. pickup time. So what I have to do tonight is I need to eat my chicken and broccoli. Stick around because I'm going to talk about, like, go through what's in my lunch bag, because I think that we'll just do a quick trip. This is just a quick trip. I'm going to try and drink 1 to 2 more of these. I did not drink enough water today because I woke up at 2 and just started drinking. No, I think that's it. I think it's literally just finish packing up, make sure everything's charged. All of my work stuff is done and charged and ready. It's just my personal stuff. And then fingers crossed nothing changes tomorrow, my schedule. So let's go through my lunchbox. This is the Travel Pro. I bought it from our company store. In the front pocket, I have all of my teas. I have chamomile. I have these lemon ginger drinks that I need to drink one honestly today because everyone's sick and I've been getting headaches, so I'm hoping it's stress. I should look at the camera while I'm chatting to you guys. I have my collection of stickers because we're sticker trading right now. And then I have this Noon Hydration. It's blackberry vanilla. It's supposed to help you relax. I don't know. It's an electrolyte. Always electrolytes. At the top here we have the hydrating hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works in a gummy bear holder. I found out that this has gluten in it, so now it's just like decoration. In the top, face masks and mints. That's all I have back here. Face masks and mints. A hair tie, my sunglasses, hand sanitizer I can use, my supplements, a scarf in case I want to wear a scarf because it's not a mandatory part of the uniform. They gave us these for the ovens. I have some lens wipes, even though I never wear my glasses to work. My current nonfiction I'm reading, They Were Her Property, White Women as Slave Owners in the American South. Fantastic, eye-opening book. I have taken so many pauses. This is such a good book. I do have a video about all the books I bought in New Orleans. This was one of them. I am learning so much. This is a book, and all of those books really were just reminders of how ignorant I am to quite a lot of history. Yeah. A Tide to Go pen, change of subject, a mirror, and we have gloves. Cute. I have my little crew tag on the side here, and look at this. Look at her. This is the Aora Mexico Chile. It's artisanal. It's made in Mexico. I've been obsessed with it. You know how everyone was like, I want a Labubu? I wanted a Chile. And it holds lipstick. Their lip gloss. It's like a lip serum gloss. This one is picante. It's spicy. If it burns, in a nice way. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love this. I love this Chile. I love that they are doing it sustainable, artisanal. I love all of the things. I'm obsessed. I may have to move it so it's less, it just, yeah. I don't want it to get hurt. I don't want to get hurt, and the side of the bag often gets hurt. So now it goes here. Because it's not like I can use that hand sanitizer. In the bag, this changes sometimes. So up here I might take this Dayquil tomorrow. I have a Lonnie Newman powder, I have some liquid IVs, I have protein powder, I have multivitamins, and I have extra wingbacks. And then I think this is my sleep supplement. No, that's my vitamins. So that's what I have right here. I think it needs to go somewhere else, but I don't know where that somewhere else is. I got sent on a trip to Mexico, Guadalajara, if you didn't see that on my Instagram or TikTok. Loved Guadalajara. Thank you for being such wonderful host. Fantastic visit. I couldn't bring food, and then I couldn't eat, and so all I had was that breakfast and then some protein bars until we got back to the States. I'm never letting that happen again. So now I have a lot more shelf-stable food in my lunchbox. One of my current favorites are the Only Bean, the crunchy roasted edamame in ranch. I don't care about any other flavor. I only care about the ranch flavor. They're so good. More electrolytes. I just picked these up from Marshall's. These are the Podium electrolytes. They're really sweet, but I don't argue with $7. And as a flight attendant that doesn't drink enough water, I feel like I should just have some electrolytes, especially in summer. One of the girls who left the crash pad gave me her entire box of overnight oats. I love these. I had my first bad one this week, and that was something banana
Bananas Foster. I don't know. I could not eat it. And I like banana Laffy Taffy, so you know it's bad if I can't eat it. One person from my crash pad gave out some sakura latte and mochas from Starbucks Japan, so I have these in my bag. The FO yesterday was handing out rock stars, so I have a rock star in my bag. Oh my god, so good. Oh, so good. I have peaches and nectarines. Oh my god. I love these. These are so good. They're so juicy. Pears. I thought I didn't like food. I thought I didn't like fruit until I started like eating summer fruits. Turns out this June baby loves summer fruits. These are like some of my favorite fruits. So sorry, I didn't think I was hungry when I did that. More protein powder. This is, I forgot what brand it is, but it's Justin's Reese's like chocolate peanut butter flavor. It's fine, it's whatever. I love having these bobs. They're almost always on sale at my local Marshalls. They're just good to have. Like this morning, I just wanted like a bread dish, and well, this afternoon, I just wanted like a little bread dish with coffee, and so I had these, and that was like my lunch. I have these Archer's classic beef sticks. Protein. I have Oatly shelf stable milk, certified gluten free for my overnight oats. We don't have milk on the plane. The mochas from Japan, and the last thing I have here are my olives, my snacking olives from Trader Joe's. These are my absolute favorite. I love these. I cannot express to you how much I love these snacking olives. This may seem like a lot of shelf-stable food, but I've had trips that were supposed to be 2 days long, go on for 5 days, and as someone with celiac disease, your fresh food is just going to go bad, and you can't always be sure there's a restaurant where you're going to eat. What I packed this week for food is I had 2 pastas with ground beef. They were chickpea pasta, and I ate both of those. I ate one yesterday at standby, and I ate one today for my dinner. I think I've eaten a lot today. Whatever. And then I packed 2 chicken and broccolis, and my meal prep tip for anyone who needs to meal prep is frozen. I freeze my rice. I buy only frozen vegetables. I froze, so I basically prepped my chicken breast because that was what was on sale, and then I cooled it off so it was totally cool, and then froze it in the freezer so that it would last a little bit longer. It did unfreeze in my bag. I did have ice in here, like dry ice. It just didn't do the job, so that's that. That was what's in my lunchbox. I hope that helps somebody else.
It's 9 o'clock. I'm wide awake. This happened to me on my last layover. I was wide awake. I basically took a 2-hour nap, like 3 a.m. to 5 a.m., 2 a.m. No, it was 3. It was probably a later sign-in. Either way, I went to bed at 3 a.m. and then went to work. Hopefully that doesn't happen this time. Fingers crossed the Calm supplement helps out. Hopefully that doesn't happen this time. But if not, like, all I can do is go to work, be positive, and do my very best, and hopefully I'll get home when I'm scheduled.